pose. What are you doing? Huh? Where's your book? Come on, eh? It's not toy, okay? What is that? You have washed your hands, right? Have you? Whitney? Okay, get your book, Whitney. Where's your book? Gabby, where's your book? What are you doing there? Here, come on. Here, play the cards. Okay. Okay, what is this? A mouse. What is the mouse doing? What is... Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, Alexa? Guys, what are you doing under the table? Huh? Gammy's a big girl now. Gammy, you're a big girl now, right? Yes, you're right. What are you doing there with Whitney? What are you doing? Are you hiding? Why are you hiding? Why? Hey, Whitney, be nice, please. Say, excuse me. Whitney, no, not like that, please. Okay. Say, excuse me. Say to Alexa. Alexa, yeah. Alexa, if you want to join them, ask me. I join you guys. Alexa, ask first. Be careful, Alexa. Alexa, may I join you, please? Ask them, may I join you, please? Is it okay, Whitney? Why? She's your friend, Whitney. It's okay. Be nice to your friend, okay? Okay, Whitney? Okay. It's nice, right, to have a lot of friends? Right, Whitney? Stop scratching your leg, Alexa. What happened? Itchy. Itchy means... Mind your head, Whitney. Are you okay? Are you okay, Alexa? Why are you laughing? Huh? What are the girls doing? What are you doing, Whitney? You keep using the hand sanitizer. Your hands are clean. That's okay. You have washed your hands, right? What is it? What is it? Oh, you have a book? You're taking a book? You want to read a book? Say, I want to read a book, miss. Alexa, I want to read a book, miss. What is it? Gondola. Gondola. Tugboat. Tugboat. Jet ski. Yes. Whitney. Stop, Whitney. You will be broken if you do like that. Look. She took it first, right? Look. Listen. If you want to borrow, say, may I borrow, please? Yeah, wait, Whitney. Wait. Yeah, wait, Whitney. You need to wait until she gives it to you. Okay, ask first. May I borrow, please, Alexa? No, no, not like that. Wait, okay. Say wait, okay. Wait a minute, okay? 5 minutes, Alexa. 5 minutes. Say to Whitney. 5 minutes, Whitney. Okay? No, you tell Whitney. Tell Whitney. Wait. No, wait. Yeah, wait. Stop. Not like that. It will be broken. If it's broken, you cannot read it anymore, right? So you need to be patient. Ask first. May I borrow, please? Alexa, may I borrow, please?
Okay.
See? What do you say to Alexa? Okay, look at her. Thank you, Alexa. Hey. What is that, Biru? Oh, wait. What is that? Count. 1. Say 1.